Hi there, I got this package. It's a bandsaw. Let's open it and see what's inside the box. Well, here it is. In the corner you can see the specification of this machine. It has a main motor of 1100 watt and a pump motor of 100 watt. And you can adjust the downward speed with this knob. You can adjust the cutting angle between 0 and 60 degrees. Here you can adjust the cutting support, and it has a quick clamp system, and it's also pretty strong. "750 kilos. Here we have the control panel with off and on, and you can adjust the speed between 0 and 65. I don't know what it means, but on the max speed the blade is traveling at a speed of around 1 meter per second. And you have the coolant on and off, and you also have a stop. And now we are going to do an accuracy test of it. Here we have a 80mm steel bar, and let's cut it.